Welcome back. The tools we'll be using today are a MIG welder. We'll be using 3 different size ball peen hammers. We'll be using big style punches so that we can use the sludge to ping some of the metal in place. We have a cut wheel. Ours is air. Some cut discs, thick leather gloves for welding or cutting so you don't cut yourself. You're going to want some UV, chrome, blue, or gold lens sunglasses so that you can hold your shield down or put them on behind your shield so when it flashes to dark you get less chance of having any flash. You're going to want goggles to put over them to grind, as well as a shield over the 3. So glasses, goggles, shield to grind inside of a car, or you'll have metal in your eyes. Alright, let's get back to this. Alright, we're back at it. Alright, we're going to get the rest of this floor pan in here. You can see I've restructured a lot. I relined the rockers with 1/4" steel. We've cut the floor pans out. We got the front portion in. We're going to do the back portion here. We've put tubular for the seat and looped it under for the drive shaft into the other. Then also used steel as well, tubular, and made a V like this for extra support, and hooked our torsion bar to a special bar here that I've made cross-membered side to side, because that will tunnel in the cage that we're all putting in here to make sure that you have cage below you and above you and you're surrounded, so if it tumbles. Alright. Okay. There's one side welded in. We'll keep going and get on the next. We'll be back. Like, comment, share, subscribe.